Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Karen. I'm here today with Leo.
Hello.
And we are here to reintroduce you to the Twirling Teacups. Twirling Teacups then. Another look at this one.
Yes, they are back again.
They are back again, twirled back in.
They really have.
So you may have seen these in our March Madness of this year. They sold out really, really quickly. We've brought them back. They've been on TV with Jodie, so you can go back to the Create and Craft TV website and go to the catch-up section and you'll be able to see those shows there. So that would have been 2 weeks ago, just for you to have an idea of the date. But let's have a look at the dies.
Let's. Okay. So this is, believe it or not, a single A4 die set to make these amazing twirling teacups. You do have full instructions inside your wallet. I'm just going to grab these out so we can have a look at them here. So it looks like there's not a lot of dies here for how much you're going to be building. There is a lot of cutting involved in this.
There is.
You are going to be cutting multiples. Read your instructions very carefully for the numbers that you need.
Yeah.
Also, we do have a make video.
We do.
A very, very comprehensive one. So our lovely Vicky Deal on our design team actually has done a full start to finish make. You can watch that. It is a long video.
It is.
But it will guide you through step by step the entire process. Didn't Jodie do one as well?
I think she did.
I think we've got 2 make videos actually. I will link them in the description below so you can go over to those and have a look at how to build this. But yeah, definitely read that very carefully and watch it. So your die set then. You've kind of got 4 layers.
You do.
To your teacup right here. Starting with the very base down here. Then you've got kind of the platform that your teacups rest on. You've got the upright here and then the little cap for it. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then this is the roof. Can you tell I've not built one of these?
I can.
This is the roof. You've got the handle for your teacup here and this is the actual little teacup itself.
Yeah.
You've got then these pieces that go around the edge of the various layers and then the decorative piece here. Kind of like a nice scallopy top.
Yes. Very, very much so.
It looks, I guess, kind of daunting when you first start, but I would suggest cut and look at each layer separately.
Yes, cut them, but you do need, there's a specific order that this needs to be put together. So I would suggest cutting it all first.
Okay. Because
you kind of need to have your teacups made to go onto that platform.
Because you're going to be hiding the bit where the brad goes.
And then that platform then needs to go on the base.
Got ya.
So there's a specific order, but that order is in your instructions anyway.
Very, very detailed instructions for this.
So we shall look at these quickly. We'll have a little look at the ones from the packaging first.
Okay, so we are looking at, this
one.
Beauty. Look at this. I love these colours. This was yours.
It was.
Not your colours at all.
Not my colours at all. Can you tell that Alison gave me the idea for the colours?
Yes. Beautiful though. And then your teacups, as we've mentioned, they are on brads, so they do spin on their base as well.
Yeah.
These have been well loved. They were very much filled with goodies for the product photography, so you'll notice that on the packaging as well. Very, very lovely.
So the other one we have got a little bit squished. So we're going to have to hold him up a bit.
Let's see, that way. There we go. So this one we have hanging teacups this time.
We do. So you have a little bracket with some holes that you stick to the outside of the roof piece and to the upright there. And it's got some holes in. You can thread some ribbon or some string or twine, whatever you have. And there are little hooks for you to attach them to the seat. So on this one, Vicky's just cut a little section out to make it look like a little swing seat.
I love them.
Fabulous.
And it would be a tilt-a-whirl at this point. I don't know if you can see. It's slightly, but that's good because when it goes round, you're going to really wee up in the air on one side. This one is stunning though. I have to point this out. Look at all of this paper piecing, even under the teacups on this platform.
It's bonkers, honestly. Vicky is our paper piecing queen.
She is indeed. I absolutely love that one.
Fabulous. So let's bring the one in from, I'm not going to get that back on. Let's bring the one in, can't even see it now, there we are, from the make video then.
Yes.
And let's show how Vicky has packaged that for us. So this was the way she sent it to us so that it didn't get damaged. She said, oh, I just made a quick box, you know.
Just a quick box.
Just a quick box on my scoreboard.
A lovely acetate on all four sides presentation box is what she actually meant to say. So there's an idea for you.
Yes, definitely. And she just measured how big it needed to be and scored it out of A3 card. So I'll just take the lid off that one. And this one has got...
Are you really going to try and pull this out? Oh, from its roof as well.
Look at this one. So she's gone into the full teacup mode with this one because she's filled them with tea bags.
Yeah.
Fabulous. But a really lovely one. This is the one that you'll see being made in the video with our lovely papers.
Duskyros.
I can't remember these paper pads anymore.
There are too many.
Too many of them. Too many.
Beautiful, beautiful. I don't want to hold it by its lid, so I'm going to give that to you to go back over there. What else do we have? There's this stunning one. So this is a new one that you wouldn't have seen before.
Goodness me. So this is the third one of these Vicky's made.
I know.
Wow.
She clearly loves it very, very much. I love the colours on this though. So kind of a bit of a departure from all of the pastels that we've had, or the very brights. This one's a little bit more grown up.
I think so.
But all of the lovely flowers that she's added onto this
Vicky
as well.
in a Bridgerton era.
Yes, exactly. Hopefully this is vaguely in focus. I'm trying to find... There we go.
There it is.
Stunning. And the little flower brads that she's put into these teacups as well. That lovely little detail. And we found that these spin a bit smoother, and I think it's because the brads are wider on top.
Yes, so they're not wobbling so much as you're spinning them. Yeah. Because I've used circular brads on the ones that we've done here. But we've got plenty to show you. Right, so we have another really, really clever invention. So this is from Angela. And I'm just going to place it down gently there. And just show you what Angela's done. So she's made herself the whole thing spinny, and what she's done is she's made a platform.
Just a circle of card, and you've probably got some kind of layering circle from some die set or another. They will cut you a circle, and then on the underside she's added a fidget spinner.
Amazing.
And she's just stacked it. Hopefully you can see all of these little die cut circles that are stacking it up.
Because this piece needs to spin freely.
Yeah, that central part.
The spinny bit in the centre needs to spin freely. But that is just ingenious. Absolutely ingenious. Yeah, and then she didn't stick it onto anyone in particular in case we wanted to just spin them all.
And why would you not?
Exactly. Exactly.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much, Angela. That is such an amazing idea.
Okay, I'm going to lean right over for this
get
one.
That one.
Or this one is a beauty. So if you don't want to put all of the pattern layers, if you've had enough cutting by the time you've made the base and you just want to add some stunning pattern paper, then do. And it looks equally beautiful. I love the little ribbons on this, and the flowers, and the little bit of bunting. Is this Roche by any chance?
It is Roche.
Just had a hunch.
Yeah.
Just a feeling. I think this is beautiful though. Really, really pretty. And she's filled this for us with tissue paper, and we've got some chocolate coins in there as well. Lovely.
But I'm looking at what's on the chocolate coins, and it's those little LOL dolls. And I just feel like they'd fit in the cups as well.
Yeah, you could put little figurines in them.
Any little characters would be amazing, wouldn't they? As you can see, we've got so many around us, but all we'll be showing you is different colourways. We've shown you a nice paper one, we've shown you lots of paper piecing ones, and this one here has been coloured as well.
I think it's coloured with drops. I think it's glitter drops.
Really?
Here.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, I do believe it is. So there's another idea for you.
Definitely. So don't forget to show us what you've been making with these. Have you got any ideas? Have you got I mean, I've seen so many things. Obviously, this has been available from us before. So I've seen people putting the horses in there from the rocking horse die set. There are so many things you can do with this base circular
the base
carousel
ride,
piece.
if you don't want to put the teacups on, yeah, definitely there are
Could
other
be
things.
Could be anything. So what are you going to be making with yours? Let us know in the comments. If you've got any questions about anything to do with the die set, anything to do with the makes, if you're stuck with anything, just pop them down below and we will be able to get back to you with some sort of answer from someone. We'll find somebody for you. As you know, this will be available on our website now. If you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, don't forget you get your TCK discount, which is an extra 10% off all of our launches. New launches.
Everything that you put into your basket except your kit subscription.
Yes.
Gets you that 10% discount.
It's amazing.
It
Absolutely amazing. Why would you not? Why would you not? You can pay in installments on our website as well, and that is with ClearPay, ShopPay or PayPal. And the most important thing,
we say all the time.
We do. Every video, you'll be sick of it. But we really do want you to tag us in your mix. We absolutely love to see what you're making. We pop them into our Friday show, into our little weekender. It could be on our show and tell. And we just love the fact that everybody gets to give you some love for your projects.
Yes.
It's really nice to show those off.
You inspire the rest of our crafting community. It might be that you spark someone's colour palette ideas, or they really didn't know how to get started with a die set, and you give them that starting point. So it is a really lovely bit of our crafting community.
It is. If you do like this type of video, if you could give us a cheeky little thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, would be very much appreciated. You can hit the notification bell.
Ding.
And you will be notified when we do upload a video or when we go live. That'll be there like magic for you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching today. It's always a pleasure having you with us here. See you all again very soon. Happy crafting!